Hi friends, here is a nice problem. We have f of x equals a x power 4 plus b x square plus x plus 5. And we have to find out what is f of 4. We have two unknowns, a and b, right? But how do we solve this? But we are given f of minus 4 equals 3. There's a small hint here. What is the hint? There is x power 4 and there is x square. So 4 power 4 or minus 4 power 4 because this is raised to even power. So both will give the same result, right? Or 4 square and minus 4 square. Both will give the same result. So in fact, we don't need to worry about A and B. Why? Because if we substitute this minus 4, then what we get? F of minus 4 is A into minus 4 whole power 4 plus B into minus 4 whole square plus minus 4 plus 5. This is 4 minus 4 power 4 is 256. 256A, 16B and minus 4 plus 5 which is plus 1. Right. Similarly, F of 4 is A into 4 power 4 which is again the same 256. 256A plus 4 square 16B. This part is actually common in both the places. So we don't actually need to worry about A and B. Why? Because of these even powers. Right. Then 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 which is equal to 9. Right. F of 4, f of minus 4 is 3 which is already given. Right. F of minus 4 is 3. That is given in the problem. So that means this part 256a plus 16b plus 1 equals 3. That means 256a plus 16b equals 2. Let's take this 2 and substitute here. 2 plus 4 plus 5. F of 4 is 2 plus 4 plus 5 which is 2 plus 9 equals 11. Simple problem. Just that we should not be worried by looking at this a and b unknown variables. Rather, because there is x power 4 and x square which are even powers, we can use this minus 4 also. Thank you guys.